What are the 12 names of Sun God? For what reasons Lord Surya has 12 names? The 12 names of Sun God are mentioned in the Puranas according to his 12 different shapes and forms and his changing form in the 12 months. The form and character of Lord Surya keeps changing with each name. He is addressed by 12 different names in the 12 months of the Hindu calendar. For example, see in this verse itself how Lord Bhaskar keeps changing into 3 different forms in a single day. Urai Brahmanu Rupam Madhyahe tu Maheshwara. Astakale himself Vishnuswamurti Devakar. Meaning, at the time of rising he is the form of Brahma, at the time of noon he is Maheshwar, and at the time of sunset he is Surya himself in the form of Vishnu. In the same way, there is a change in the brightness of Lord Surya in every Hindu month. Therefore, Lord Surya is known by different names in different Hindu months. There is a reason hidden behind each name of Lord Surya. 12 names of Sun God and their glory. Sister of the night, daughter of the sky, sister of Varuna, daughter of heaven, Usha Sundari, the dawn of sunrise, shining like a maiden, dressed in new clothes, awakens all living beings. She sends animals to their work and inspires birds to fly in the sky. She paves the way for her adored Lord Surya. It is at this time that the sages search for the path to their salvation. A sage prays in worship that, if you cannot give us the darshan of God, then who else can do it? The 12 names of Sun God change according to the Hindu months. What is the name of Lord Surya in which month? In this table, that Hindu month is also shown in front of each name of Lord Surya. For detailed information about any name, verse, importance, story and worship benefits, click on that name. 12 names of Sun God according to each month. 1 Dhata Chaitra, 2 Aryama, Vashak, 3 Friend Senior, 4 Varun Asad, 5 Indra Shravan, Savan, 6 Viviswan Bhadrapada, Bhado, 7 Pashar Ashwan, 8 Parjanya Kartik, 9 Anshuman, Margashirsh, Agan, 10 Bhag Posh, Kas, 11 TV Ashta, Magha, 12 Vishnu Falgun. All the events of the world are the pastimes of Sun God. In the morning, Suryadev makes the world happy by providing life to the world with the Leela of his creation. This Leela karma is necessary for all the creatures of creation. The rays of Suryadev provide life to all living beings and inspire them for their works. In the midday period, Sun God performs Tamoguni Leela in his Maheshwar form. This Leela is necessary to destroy all the disorders of the creation. The intense rays of the sun destroy all the disorders of the universe and make it healthy and beautiful. This Leela is similar to the Leela of Lord Shiva. Lord Sun destroys all the impurities in the universe and purifies it again. The form of Sun God is amazing in the evening. This form symbolizes the end of the world. The rays of the sun gradually weaken and finally they set. This is a sign of the end of the world. Evening time is an opportunity for yogis to realize Brahma. This time is suitable for keeping the mind calm and absorbed in meditation. Yogis meditate on the sun at this time and attain Brahma realization. Therefore, whether it is the glorification of the 12 names of Lord Surya or the whole day, he does good to the devotees according to his different forms. Sun God tells us that life is changeable. What is there now will not be there tomorrow. The color, shape and energy will all change.